Hey, Scott from musicplayers.com here with Ryan from Radial Technologies with a very cool mixer product for keyboard players. You got to check this out. Ryan, tell us about it.
Here at the Radial Engineering booth at the 2017 NAMM show, we have the Largo keyboard mixer. What this is a 4-channel keyboard mixer with 3 stereo analog inputs, as well as a USB input for computer audio coming back from your main stage or whatever kind of software synth you're using. On the back, we'll show you here, we've got our stereo input, so for channels 1, 2, and 3. Then we have our USB audio input here as well. So like I said, coming back from your main laptop or whatever. Level controls on the front for each input. Then we also have effect send. So if you're using a vintage keyboard that doesn't have a bunch of effects built in, you can't access via a patch, you can actually hook up either guitar pedals or studio effects racks, either in mono or stereo through the effect send and receive. So you have individual effect sends for each channel, as well as the USB, and then a master effects return. So you could use delay pedals or distortion pedals if you wanted to. Back on our main outputs, we have a monitor level output on 1/4 inch, balance for the stage monitors, and then we have a main output. So we have XLRs for your main out to go to your stage splitter or directly to your front of house console. And then lastly, we have a USB volume pedal connection here. Not a USB volume pedal, but a stereo volume pedal connection here. So if you want to add one volume pedal to control all your different keyboards as well as whatever's playing back through the USB, you can do that through the connection here. The Largo also acts as a 2-in, 2-out audio interface, and then MIDI to USB interface as well. So if you have a controller keyboard and you want to trigger your soft synths, you connect via the MIDI input here, and that information is going to go out through the USB. Or if you have a sequence that's playing back and you want to trigger sound modules or something like that, you can play that back through your computer, and then that's going to go out to your sound modules via USB. Analog sustain pedal connection. So this switch here, the sustain switch, will go send a signal analog out of this 1/4 inch jack on the side to your main stage piano. So if you want, rather than having a separate sustain pedal, you have a momentary sustain switch here. That'll send the information to your stage piano. Then if you want to patch that into your other synths as well, you can do that via the MIDI connections on those keyboards. So live performance mixer effects on off, as well as this doubles as an audio interface. So if you want to you take this on the road and you want to do some recording as well during some downtime, this will actually allow you to not have to bring in a separate audio interface and do multi-track recording with the Largo. Built like a tank, Radial Engineering, 2017 NAMM, the Largo.
Right. When is it going to be shipping?
It's approved for production, so we're looking at about 6 to 8 weeks until it hits the streets.
Do we have any pricing on this yet?
I believe our target price point is $399.
Awesome. There you have it. Very cool stuff for keyboard players.